In today's video, I'm going to be showing you why Amazon removal orders are not set it and forget it. And if you stay towards the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you some pro tips on your removal orders. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So let me give you an example. You do a removal order, so you go to your fixed rented inventory page, or you simply just want to do a removal order. You can click the side and there should be a button that says action, create removal order. And this is where you create your removal order on Amazon. Next is you're going to check the status of the removal order. So you can go all the way here to the left. You're going to go to reports. You're going to go to fulfillment, and then you click on fulfillment right here. When you go to fulfillment reports, you're going to scroll down and there's going to be a removal order detail page to see if your removal order was correct. So let's check this out. So pretend you did a removal order. Do the removal order and you're going to check your fulfillment report and you're going to do view online. Let's do the event date last 180 days. Generate report. You're going to see Amazon cancels so many inventory removals. Who knows why they cancel? They just don't want to send it back. They don't want to spend the money. They want you to destroy your inventory. So look, if we send, here's an example. I asked for 383, Amazon canceled 31. We asked for on June 17th, 321 requested, Amazon canceled 210. Who knows why they canceled it? They just decided somebody at the Seller Central place or Seller Warehouse said, nope, we're not going to ship these, too much work. We're just going to leave it. So what you have to do is pretty much really check on this and make sure Amazon is actually removing your inventory. Because if they're not removing their inventory, they're going to be charging you fees, those long-term inventory storage fees that you're not even aware of because you thought you did a removal order 30 days ago, and 30 days later, 90 days later, 180 days later, Amazon still hasn't removed your inventory. Now, for my secret tip, what you need to do is log in at least twice, 3 times a week and do a removal order. So even though you already did a removal order, it's not set it and forget it. You have to come back in every other day or twice per week, 3 times per week, and do another removal order. I like to name my removal orders by the date sometimes, and that helps me track, okay, August 8th, okay, they canceled 20. Okay, they canceled 20 again. Oh, now it's getting better. So the more removal orders you do, again, don't do more than 1 a day, but every other day or a couple times a week, you can do a removal order, and that's going to help you get these orders back to you. So maybe you can ship them to other places if you're reselling on another place or if you're selling them online somewhere else. The other pro tip is if this isn't if it's too slow, instead of doing a removal order return, you can do a removal order disposal where Amazon will actually completely destroy your inventory. Note that if you do a disposal, sometimes Amazon doesn't remove your inventory. Sometimes they actually keep it and they resell it themselves. But it works much faster. If you do an Amazon disposal, it's going to be much quicker and Amazon's going to say it was completed right away. If you do an actual return or a liquidation, it's going to take a lot longer. So my pro tip is if you're doing a return, you need to check on, even a liquidation, you need to check on it and you got to try to file it every other day, specifically for returns. For liquidations, it sometimes takes 90 days and that's normal. But for returns, it shouldn't be taking this long, right? Amazon does 2-day shipping. It should be on top of it, but it is what it is. This is just a pro tip for you for your success on Amazon. If you're really doing the in and outs of your account and managing it, it's not set it and forget it. Unfortunately, Amazon cancels everything and it is what it is. So let's stay on top of this. And if you did learn something today new in today's video, please do drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe because you're going to be learning a lot of new tips and tricks on your Amazon journey from these videos. And if you do need help selling on Amazon, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. This is what we specialize in.